Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix AC6 error code on a Samsung washer. So guys, AC6 error indicates a communication error between the main control board and the sub control or display board. So to fix this, turn off the washer and unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the electronics. And this can sometimes clear the error. If it doesn't, make sure the washer is connected to a stable power outlet and avoid using extension cords or multi-plug adapters. Now, if you're comfortable, you could also remove the top or front panel. It will be depending on your model, and check the wiring harness between the control boards and check for any loose connection or damaged connection, and now carefully disconnect and reconnect the wiring connectors to make sure they are seated properly. If the error persists, the issue may be with the control board itself, and you might want to contact the Samsung support or a technician for professional help. Thanks for watching.